special hello to our featured patron. Emily B. Thanks for supporting Emily, and I hope you're ready for a little tutorial to learn how to do something that people have been asking me about for years, because the time has finally come to show you exactly how I do my deco nails at home. This video, y'all, okay, this video is sponsored by Madam Glam, which is honestly like a dream sponsorship. As a YouTuber, when you get spawn requests from brands that you have been using and truly supporting for years, it's like, praise pipes! I got something to say about this. I use this brand all the time. In fact, Madam Glam is the only nail polish brand that I have used for the last 5 years. Like literally since they were born in 2014, that was it for me. This sounds like an exaggeration, but look, come here. It's all Madam Glam. Of course we have all of these beautiful pinks up here, and then a little bit of rainbow action, my blacks and whites. These are glittery ones. These ones are like color changing ones. One step gels down here too. And this is also where I keep my base and top gels. That's my nail polish collection tour. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay. As soon as I discovered them, I gave all of my other nail polish away. Not even kidding. So it's always such a little blessing when a brand that I love and support wants to sponsor a video. So a shout out and thank you to Madam Glam for sponsoring today's video. Okay, let's talk about my claws. First of all, let's just do a little quick disclaimer. I'm not a professional nail person, and I just do my nails for fun and to look cute, so take what I have to say with that in mind. Right, okay. I wear glue-on nails like this almost exclusively. I'm just too cheap. I'm too cheap to go to a nail salon every few weeks. Plus, deco nails at a salon are like a bajillion dollars. So, here's how I do it at home for less than a bajillion dollars. My setup that I do for these is one of those things that's like, it's kind of expensive up front. Like you gotta get the lamp, you gotta get the base gel, you gotta get the top gel. But once you have it all, you can use it forever. And don't worry, I do have a discount code to help you get started on the Madam Glam stuff if you want it. But okay. Here's where I start. I start by just getting some plain, generic, full nail covers. I get mine at CVS, Target, wherever. They're basic. And I just get the ones that come with a bunch of different sizes in there so you can match them up to all of your nails. And you also have enough in there that you can do several different manicures with one pack. So just glue them onto your hand sticks. And now we paint. I start off by applying Madam Glam's base gel to my nails to give the gel polish something to stick to. Then you pop your claws under the lamp to let the gel cure. I have collected several of Madam Glam's lamps over the years. I'm not kidding when I say I've been using them for 5 years. and this one is by far my fave. It combines all of my favorite features from previous lamps, like how it has sensors, so when you stick your hand in it, it automatically turns itself on. And it has these different timers up here that remember your settings, so you can just stick your hand in there and not even think about it. Oh, and the color of this one, the white with this cool little design on it, it matches my room and it looks so cute up on my little desk. A lot cuter than like this guy when he was on my desk. I mean, he's great, but look how cute. They do have a few options of pro lamps, little travel-sized mini lamps, and both LED and UV lamps, so feel free to shop around to suit whatever your needs may be, but this one here is my personal fave. Okay, so for today's nail, I'm going to do a gradient from light pink to gold tips. I just figured that would be so cute with the little deco pieces that I have picked out. Like very sweet and soft. So cute. But of course, do whatever colors you like the best. Madam Glam has 1,400 colors to choose from. 1,400? Can that be right? That's so many. So I know it's been a while since I've done a nail polish video, so if this is the first one you're seeing, I'll quickly give you a scoop on gel polish. Gels are awesome. That's the whole scoop. No, just kidding, it's not. But the main reasons that I love gels is because it makes your nails feel like, if you don't have these fake nails on, if it's just on your regular nail, it makes your nail feel thicker. It makes them feel stronger. They last longer than traditional polish. And my favorite part personally is that it dries in 30 seconds with the lamp. You can't beat that. No more waiting an hour with traditional polishes just to have like cat hair float into them and ruin it all the last minute. No more. I mean, you guys saw my nail polish collection. It's 100% gel. And with Madam Glam, you can feel good about them because they are vegan, PETA certified, cruelty-free, and 9-free. So they are the best and healthiest possible. Good job, Madam Glam. Love it. Now into the tutorial. Finally. Alright, so to do a gradient, let's get into this. So you just need a cosmetic wedge, at least 2 colors of polish, Q-tips, and a little bit of patience. Basically, we're going to be making a stamp on the cosmetic wedge by painting our 2 colors directly onto the wedge and then stamping it onto the nail. This is a messy process, for sure. Not a great way around that. They do make like little finger covered things that cover around your finger but leave your nail exposed. You could use those, or you could use like tape, scotch tape. But I find that when you're using gels, the hardened cured polish, it like cements over them, which makes it really difficult to get them off without messing up your manicure. Like, they come off. Don't worry, you're not stuck with them. It's just a headache. An easier way, in my opinion, is to use a pointy tip Q-tip dipped in isopropyl alcohol and just run it around your finger to remove the extra polish before you cure it, so it's still goopy and it comes right off. Pointy end Q-tips give you a lot more control than just regular Q-tips, which is why I prefer them. Let you get right up in there, so I like these. And if it's not perfect, who cares? It's still gonna look cute. Oh, but if you do go the alcohol route, just make sure that you moisturize after and care for those cuticles, because alcohol can be quite drying, especially if you're kind of like doing it repeatedly, you know? Moisturize, drink water, stay hydrated. As you can see, we are just stamping over and over and over again and reapplying the polish to the stamp whenever we need to. Gradients work best when you just do very thin coats of polish and cure between each coat. Fight the urge. Fight the urge to just glop a whole bunch of polish on there just so you have to do fewer coats. Don't do that. Your patience will be rewarded with a nice, beautiful, even, smooth gradient. Plus, when you're using gels, the curing time in between each coat is only 30 seconds, so it's not too painful at all. I personally have never done a gradient with traditional nail polish, but I'm imagining that it would take like hours, like freaking forever, to let it completely dry between each coat. I can't be bothered, personally. But with gels, it takes no time at all. I think I did like 5 coats. 5 coats sounds like a lot, but only 30 seconds in between. Not that big of a deal. And then, once I'm happy with it, I put a top gel on there to seal it all up. And this top gel is newish from Madam Glam. A lot of top gels leave a sticky residue on top that you remove by rubbing it with alcohol. But this one does the job without the stick. It's awesome. And after you've cured the top gel, you can really wash your hands real good. You can scrub off any extra bits that may still be on your fingers. Give them a good scrubby scrubs. Because after it's cured, you're good to like run out the door. You're done. But of course, we aren't done. Because I am extra and you are extra because you're watching this tutorial. So you want to know how to do this. And I don't blame you. Honestly, it's so cute. It's so cute. Right, so for my deco today, the best part for my deco, I'm going to be using these small ribbon bows with these pearls on them, these multi-size pearl stickers, and these little heart gems. My magic ingredients for all of my deco pieces, always, it's the Madam Glam top gel. Yes, the same one that we just used on our nails. If you think about it, the top gel is designed to seal and harden your manicure, right? Well, I do use it for that, but I also use it to harden up whatever I want to stick to my nails. This lets you use ribbons and stickers and pretty much anything you want in your nail deco, which I freaking love. Like, okay, these tiny little ribbon bows, for example, I could just leave them as is. Yeah, I could just leave them as is, glue them onto my nails and be done with it. But in practice, you have to live life with these nails on. When you wash your hands, your ribbons will get like all wet and soggy. They get dirty. There's no real way to clean them off. You'll get makeup on them. You get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. It is way easier to manage nail deco when it's completely hardened, and you can just wipe them off if they get gross, you know? It's much better. I coat these guys in the top gel and toss them under the lamp to cure. After 30 seconds, flip it and do the back. And then they're like just as hard as little plastic pieces, which is perfect for deco. And you can use this method to turn pretty much anything into decoed in pieces, and it's awesome. I will literally glue anything to my nails. I love it so much. That said, let's talk about how I stick them to my nails. I have tried many different ways. So here are my tips for you. I've tried lots of different types of nail glue to stick them on, which are fine. They're fine, but they do take a long time to dry. So you have to like hold them in place while they dry. It takes forever. And I have had issues with my deco just like popping off at the slightest touch. A gentle breeze. Not good. It's not good for deco. You want it on your nails and not on the floor. So my preferred method, can you guess it? My preferred method is just straight up top gel. Top gel is my #1 multitasker. I use it for everything. So again, little recappy. When you cure top gel, it hardens up, just like it did with our bows. So if you apply a top gel and then stick something into it and then cure it, it's going to harden with that thing inside of it. So it's gonna hold it so much better than just your like average topical nail glue. It's like built in. Also, top gel doesn't dry until you cure it. So you can move all of your little deco pieces all around until you're happy with it, and then you can cure it. So once everything is placed and I have cured it, I come back in with the top gel again one last time to really seal it all up. This is when you can feel free to glob it everywhere as much as you want. Fill in all of those little gaps and edges, because those are what will get caught on things. Like if you run your hands through your hair, that's how you pop deco off accidentally. Like if something small like a piece of hair just gets right up under the edge and you pull it, boop, gone. But if you fill in those gaps with top gel and then cure it, you've got a smooth edge around all of your stickers, so there's no way for anything to like get up underneath it and pop it off, send it flying. And they won't get caught on things. The bigger pieces like the bows, things that stick out, they can still snag on stuff, but it's worth it because they're just so damn cute. And you get used to them. You do pretty quickly like adapt to having them on there. Like how if you go from really short nails to long nails, you have to kind of like recalibrate how you use your hands and how you live life. It's kind of like that. You adapt to having the deco nails and you get used to it, and then you just got really cute little hands. It's so worth it. It's so cute. Oh, and the new top gel, the no wipe one, so much better for deco. So much better. It's so much better for deco because before I would have my top gel, everything was good, everything was hard, holding it in place, but it had this sticky coat all around it, so I had to get like up underneath the bows and everything with alcohol to remove all the stick. This is such an improvement. It made my life so much easier. Thank you, Madam Glam. That's it. My freaking cute little deco nails. I just adore them. They're so cute. They make me feel so cute and so like delicate and kawaii and so sweet, and I just love them. I just love them. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Emily, for being the awesomest patron. And thank you, Madam Glam, for sponsoring today's video. The discount code again is Alexa30. So if you want to save some dollars on your at-home gel nail situation, that code is there for you if you would like it. If you do some crazy deco nails, tag me. I would love to see them. Okay, you babes rule. I love you so much. I will see you next time. I love you. Okay, bye. That outro was so much more satisfying with cute little deco nails. Love it. Okay, Bye guys!